Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my channel everybody. So this is May 2024's Paper Pumpkin alternative video number 16. The kit is called The Best There Is. This should be a short one, guys. So this is a look at the instructions, and the envelopes were all the same. You got 3 of this one, 3 of this one, and 3 of that card. This video, this QR code will lead you to a video to show you how to assemble the cards as they were designed. This one down here will lead you to how to purchase the add-on dies that coordinated with April, May, and June, a visual of everything in kit, and then the coordinating colors. Now, just for your information, videos 1 through 5, I show you everything that came in the kit, and after that, I just kind of... I think that's enough of it. This is a look at our stamp sets. Happy Father's Day with love and admiration to the most amazing person. This says you're the best, and the little tree. So this is going to be blank on the inside. So what do we have? Well, we're going to make a large card. This card is 5 by 6.5. So our card base is 6.5 by 10 scored at 5. This is a pre-made card base, guys. Look at how big the envelope is, but that's the envelope it came with as it's in the box. I'm just using up my supplies. Layer number 1 is 4 by 4.25 by 5.5, and that's in the Retired Mary Merlot. Number 2 is the Mountain and Trees bit. I have 5.5 inches of a burgundy ribbon. Scrap that was in my box of ribbons, a scrap of the basic beige card base from kit, and we're going to be using the Labeled with Love punch. Oh, and maybe we'll stamp this in there. The Thinking of You from the Garden Meadow stamp set. So we're just going to pull that. We might put something in there. Yeah, we're going to put this in there. All right, we're just going to we'll tag it there, and hopefully we remember. We're using Early Espresso ink. So like I said, this was just a pre-made card base, and I know some of you like to do large cards. Well, this is my simple version of a large card. So all we're going to do is take this burgundy ribbon. Now, if you don't have burgundy, guys, you could do this with any deep toned cardstock and matching ribbon you have. I had some Early Espresso ribbon I wanted to use. I'll show it to you. It's so old, but I loved it. I got so much of it. It just didn't go. The stitching didn't suit the card, so I had to change tactics. So I'm looking for Mr. Frog. I want some help today. So I'm going to put a bit of Scotch tape on this end to get it started. There's that. Oh, that still will work. Okay, so that's down. That's done. Now I can glue it to the Mary Merlot, which this is just a 1/4 sheet of cardstock. I'm thinking, where is it? And yes, I'm warming it up armpit glue because it's a little chilly out here. So this is all I'm going to do. If the glue wants to cooperate, at least with me. This is my last piece with the mountains. I wanted to do something simple, and I think this does the job, but also I wanted to do something larger. If you guys don't have a large card base, I would say use a regular card base. I mean, I'm just trying to use up what I have with me. And this has a little bit of a look of the very vanilla. Okay, so that's all there is. Now see how this ribbon, there's a lot of play there. I don't want that, so I'm going to take a little glue dot. I don't need this anymore. I just need a glue dot. Yes, I'm picky. I want the sheet that I've already been taking from. So I'm going to stick it on my nail. Usually it just comes right off. But this one did not want to play, probably because my hand is so cold. All right. I'm just going to go in the center and stick it down. You ain't going to see that because you are not going to see it. Let's be correct. So this is a little strip of the, oh, why can't I think of this? Basic beige card base. And I am thinking, I was only going to use the punch, but I changed my mind, guys. Sorry. This little trim detail, little outline is too cute not to. So we're going to take off the Father's Day and pop that on and stamp in Early Espresso. I'm looking for the Stamp and Pierce Matte. So here we go. I could even bring out the Mary Merlot and stamp the Thinking of You in the Mary Merlot. Yeah. The Razzleberry. See, you can hear me flipping through all of my e-pads. I think it will just be pretty. Scoot that one aside. The Thinking of You from the Garden Meadow. I can't do it sideways. I need to see it. Oh, yeah. Carefully, maybe. We're going to use that for the inside, but now we're going to punch. I wonder, will this fit in there? Oh, we can even stamp this on the inside. So now that this is done, this is going to go right there. And guys, I'm thinking, do I make it flat? Yeah, why not? There's no reason not to. So I'm just going to go down this side. Oops. Okay, the glue bottle is kind of getting empty there. I've used it so much. And then let's take a couple of glue dots, 3 maybe, for the center to stick to the ribbon. Oh, that stuck to me. Take that off. All right, that's done. Now for the inside, we're going to get one chance at this or I'm going to have to fix it. So, Early Espresso. And carefully take off Thinking of You. Put on this one. Oh, we want Mary Merlot, which of course I closed it up, guys. Should have known better. Should have known better. I really like that. It's a little crooked. It happens. And then we're going to stamp our trees. All of the trees right there. All right. So that's done. Look how simple that was. Simple, simple. And the more I'm looking at this, the more I think I do want it now on dimensionals. Can I lift it up without ruining everything? You won't see the glue. Just can I get it lifted up? You won't see that. Oh, that's just from the back of it. There. We'll give that a second because, yeah, we're going to, thinking fingers, I want to add some embellishments to this. But I'm also thinking for the envelope, there is this little one from Garden Meadow that says hello, and that's so perfect for the envelope. So what do I have that I haven't used? Let's see. We're going to put it on the best there is. You're the best there is. And where's my envelope? Voila. I'm running out of, I feel like I have such little room here. Okay, this is going to be in Mary Merlot, but our trees, now we're going to stamp off because I don't want them so dark. But our trees are going to go here. Ooh, that is really pretty. And then we're going to stamp them again right here. And then with Mary Merlot, we're going to stamp it in the trees. Hello. There's our envelope. I almost put that back in the thing where my stamps that I'm using go. That would not be good because it has ink on it. All right. Now let's fix our card. Put the glue stopper in the glue bottle. Close up the ink pads one more time. Oh my goodness. And we need to fix our card. And I need the dimensionals. That's not the tray. The stamps are covering it. So I put glue on it, changed my mind to 3, 1, 2 right over the glue dots. And I'm even gonna, I'm gonna overkill it here just because of where I have the glue. So 1 here, just because I want to make sure it stays down. 1 there. Just a little. This is such overkill, and if I hadn't screwed up, it wouldn't be an issue. I did mess up. I just changed my mind. Shall we make more work for Hank? Naughty grandma. Make sure we get it right where we had it. Okay. So much better. So much better. And embellishments. I really want... This is what I was thinking. Now the problem is finding them. No. No, no. There was that little strip of 3 sequins. Okay, now that's what I was thinking of, now I don't like it. What do I do? Okay, the little cork. The little corks. Thanks to Miss Phyllis for sharing with me. Oh no. We even have a little bird wants to come out. So the bird is going to go there because it wants to be with us. I won't say no. I will put you on the card. Have no fear. So we want what? 1, 2, and 3. So there's our card. Ah, yes, all done, guys. That was a quick and simple one. And it's a large card at that. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you'd like the card, would you consider making a comment? I would greatly appreciate it, as always. And sorry, my throat, the cough thing. Anyways, thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you back in my wonderland. Bye bye for now.